Subscribe this channel and watch more video.
Calculate the specific weight density and specific gravity of 1 liter 1 liter of liquid which weight 7 Newton. Given weight is equal to 7 Newton. Volume 1 liter 1 liter. Phi is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube. Specific weight. Find specific weight. Specific weight is equal to specific weight. W is equal to weight upon volume. Weight is equal to it is equal to 7 upon volume 10 raised to minus 3. It is equal to 7 10 raised to 3 or 10 raised to 3. It is equal to 7000 Newton per meter cube. Density. Find density. Density is equal to weight upon gravity. Weight 7000, gravity 9.81. Density is equal to divided by 9.81 is equal to 730.56 kg per meter cube. Specific gravity. Find specific gravity. Specific gravity divided by S is equal to density of liquid upon density of water. Density of liquid 730.56 or density of water 1000. Specific gravity of liquid 0.7135 is the specific gravity of liquid. Specific weight is 7000 Newton per meter cube. Density is equal to 730.56 kg per meter cube. Now specific gravity is 0.7135 specific gravity. subscribe channel and watch more video.